Here we go.
Shorty, hold up, please don't touch me. Look at my feet, look at my ankle, look at my wrist. This one a pack, this one a brick, that one a out, that one a lick. This one for pop, this one for juice. I ain't what.
I bought my whole family whips, no Volvos. Next time I'm in church, please no photos. We are, yeah, I said that we are. You can call me Caesar, in the dark Caesar. Please follow the leaders.